Using an Allen key, remove the black plastic cap. Turn the lock lever to the open position and slide the handlebars off the post. Using an Allen key, remove the bolt from the black handle, then remove the handle from the assembly. Next, flip the handlebar assembly over and remove the black locking mechanism from the bolt. Before installing the handlebars onto the handlebar post, apply super lube to the slides. Adjust the locking mechanism on the bottom of the handlebar slide if the handlebars don't slide on properly. Install the end cap and don't forget to use the washer. If necessary, adjust the handle so it lines up with the graphic on the slide.